8 divided by 8 over 4 times 4. Now, 8 divided by 4, we can do this. 4, we cancel this 4, which is 1. So we are left with 8 divided by 8. 8 divided by 8 will give us 1. But this answer is very wrong. Why? Because we have omitted a rule called order of operation. The order of operation rule says board mass. This is board mass. This B stands for bracket. This 0 O stands for off. D stands for division. M means multiplication. A means addition. And X means what? Subtraction. Now, in this order of operation, there are rules you apply when solving equations like this. So, first of all, the rule says that we have to solve this from left to right. So, we are solving this equation from left to right, following the rules from left to right. So, if we follow the rules from left to right, it means that we are going to do this division first before the multiplication. So we'll do this division first. And before we do this division, there is a rule we will apply here. The rule is called KCF rule. This KCF rule, this K stands for keep, C stands for change, this F means to flip. So we are going to keep 8. We are changing division to multiplication. Then we'll flip this. It will be 4 over 8 times 4. Now we have two operators here, so we just solve from left to right. So 8, we cancel this 8, which is 1. We are left with what? 4 times 4. So 4 times 4 will give us 16. And this is our final answer. Our final answer is 16. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share this video, and turn on your notification bell so that you will get new videos every time we upload.